Hi there. Today we're taking a look at some marine electronics. Right here we've got the Hella Marine Apelo series underwater lighting. You can see it's a full RGB light. It's a 15-watt draw. It runs on either the 12 or the 24-volt system, and it's got a 90-degree widespread, meaning it makes a complete right angle as it comes from the light source out into the water. UV resistant. It's a full IP68 and 69, meaning it's completely sealed for marine applications. It's completely waterproof and submersible. Here are the dimensions. It's 3 3/4 inches round. It is almost 1 inch deep, being 15/16 of an inch. And the mounting hole location for the wiring here you can see is a 5/8 hole. It does have 3 mounting locations in the light itself, and it does come with that hardware, as you can see, in a nice little bag with a couple of grommets to go in there to make sure that everything is fully sealed and corrosion resistant, keeping dissimilar metals separated. It's got the white elements in here and a white backer, so that's always nice. It's got a 8-foot cable here for the wiring, and all of the RGB lighting wires are all tinned and ready to be connected to their power source. This is a fully marine grade cable system with all of the wires running inside of it, stranded wire. Fully sealed on the back with a molded end here for the wire to go into. Nice flat surface, all corrosion resistant, keeping dissimilar metals separated. Ultimately, a great light for a marine application from Hella Marine. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.